Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a Grove collaborative haul for you guys, but I started filming this video the other day. I think it was sometime last week. I sat down and I got my package from Grove Collaborative and I was so excited. So I sat down, I filmed a haul for you guys, and there was only 2 items in there of the 5 that I had ordered. And I was like, what the heck? This is not my whole order. Wait a second. I only got 2 things in here and this is not even what I was expecting. Okay, I'm so confused right now. So I have the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day hand soap. This stuff smells amazing. This is the lemon verbena scent. You guys know my favorite. And then the Method fragrance booster. This is beach sage. So this is my 2nd time trying this out. The last time you guys saw me feature it in a haul video. It's an interesting smell, but I think I actually do like it, which is why I picked it up again. I know that I added it back into my cart because I really did like the way that it made our laundry smell. But no. I ordered like laundry detergent, I ordered dish soap. So I'm gonna have to look at my account and see what's up because that is totally not what I was expecting. And I waited a whole month just for these 2 things. Like, no, I was expecting a full-on package with like my dish soap, my laundry detergent, like, oh, that's upsetting. And I just paid that yearly fee. Well, it looks like I'm stuck with them for the next year. I'm emailing their customer service right now because this was supposed to be my full order. So I do want to point out that their customer service has been helping me. They just credited the products that I was charged for and they're letting me reorder it. So I'm placing an order, and because I also have additional credits from referral orders from you guys, I'm picking up some more things. So this next order should be a big one, so I'll definitely do a haul once I get this. So now I have a larger haul that I want to share with you guys, and I'm really excited. So I've got some cleaning supplies that we needed, but also just some little bonus things that I've been wanting to try from the website. So let's go ahead and jump on into my 2nd Grove collaborative haul in this video. I don't know why unboxing things is so much fun. Even though I know what's inside here because I ordered it, it's still so much fun. So here we go inside. Lots of paper in here. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the first thing on here. This is the glass laundry dispenser. It says auto dosing. So this is one of the items that I had ordered for my original order. So this is one of the items that was missing. So they just credited it to me and sent this part for free. Ooh, this is cute. Check this out. So this is a little refill dispenser that you can use when you go do laundry, and I think this is awesome. I love the little handle because Johnny and I have to do our laundry in our public laundry room here in our apartment complex. So we always have to carry all of our supplies down, and I think this will be really easy and fancy looking. So I'm not quite sure how this works. There's a lock and an unlock feature, but I'm not quite sure like how it's auto dosing. Is it just this little cappy thing here? And it stops? I don't know, we'll have to test this out. I'll let you guys know what I think of this. Maybe in my next Clean With Me video, I'll share with you guys how that's going. And the item that came along with it, because I bought the whole like starter kit for like the laundry supplies. This is the Grove Collaborative Pure Power Laundry Detergent in Lavender and Rosemary. It says 95% bio-based, and you can use this for up to 33 loads. No synthetic fragrance dyes or optical brighteners. ultra concentrated formula. What else it says on here? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but basically Grove Collaborative has a handful of different scents of their laundry detergent, but this is the one we're trying out, the Pure Power Lavender and Rosemary. But you just refill this little tank here, and then you take this to the laundry. This is the other item that was in my original Grove Collaborative order, but it is the Jason Calming Lavender Body Wash. I have tried this before in the past, absolutely love it, and then I don't know why, I think I just stopped buying it for a while, and when I saw that it was on Grove Collaborative, it just like re-sparked this interest, like, oh my gosh, I remember using that and I loved it so much. So we've got this body wash. And there was one more item. What was it? What was it? I think this was the last item that I had placed in my original order. I can't really remember at this point, but I think this was it. This is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day dish soap. We've been using this dish soap for a little while now. Bluebell though, we've never tried this scent, and I was like really kind of scared ordering this because I'm really picky with scents and I've never smelt this in person. So I love the lemon verbena, and so far that's been the only Mrs. Meyers product that I'm just like obsessed with. But let's try this Bluebell one. I don't think I've smelt it before. Oh, I'm nervous now. Okay, that's not too bad. What is that? It's not like super strong or like, that smells really like light and fresh. Aloe vera extract, is that what that is? What is Bluebell? So it says on here, humble bluebells blanket the forest with burst of blue violet. The delicate floral blooms are fleeting and joyfully return each spring, thank goodness. Is that how they describe the scent? Because that didn't make a lot of sense to me. Hi, pretty girl. Say hi. Oh my gosh, she's trying to lay right here in front of me. Oh my goodness gracious, little baby. You want to say hi to them? Look at my face. My face is cute. I'm sorry, Zoe, was I like in your way or something? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Hey, no toque. No toque, baby. Hey, that's my green juice. No, don't touch the camera. Are you gonna go? Go back to your bed. You're like right in the middle of where I was sitting. She has decided to lay down right here in front of me. Now let me show you guys some of the other products that I got. We picked up another one of the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day multi-surface everyday cleaner. This is in the lemon verbena scent, which I already said is my favorite. Oh, it smells so good. So we were running low on our other one and we use this like for everything. So picked up another one of that. I also got the lemon verbena room freshener. We have Iowa pine right now, which I'm not like crazy about. So we got the lemon verbena one, so we'll be spraying everything, so it's gonna smell so sweet and citrusy in this house, and I love it. I wanted to order another pack of the multi-surface wipes that we got from, I think the brand was Method or 7th Generation. One of the two, I forgot. But they were completely out of it, and the only one they had left was from this brand that I've never heard of before, but this is called Aunt Fannys Microcosmic Probiotic Power Cleaning Wipes in Fresh Lemon. So I haven't seen this brand on the website before, and it's cool because I feel like every month when I'm like going on the website, I'm seeing new brands introduced, and I think that's really cool. So not only are you getting you know, natural, cruelty-free, non-toxic products, but you're also being introduced to new brands that you probably wouldn't have heard of otherwise, because I've never heard of this brand. But these were the only cleaning wipes available. So it's a 35 count, fresh lemon scent, hardworking and non-toxic for jobs inside or out. A happy clean for people, pets, and the microbiome. Hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, kind to skin. No dyes, petroleum, sulfates, false fit. Oh, I love this scent. Oh my gosh. It smells like lemon candy. Like lemon drops. Is that what that candy is called? Lemon drops? Oh my gosh, it's like, this smells so good. This is my favorite type of lemon scent where it's just super soury and sweet. I'm excited to use these. Ah! Who gets excited for cleaning supplies? Like, who the heck am I? We also wanted to get hand sanitizer, but they were all out, and this was the only one we could find, and it's so tiny. But this is the Grove Collaborative Hand Sanitizer Spray in Blood Orange scent with moisturizing coconut oil. We've tried the Blood Orange scent hand sanitizer before because we have it already, and it was a free gift from a previous box, but we have that one and we use that every now and then. But now we have this little spray, so I think this will be really like beneficial to take with me like in my purse whenever we do have to go out, like when we're going grocery shopping and things like that. I can like spray. We also picked up more of the Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge. This is a 2-pack here, and we've been using these, and I mean, it's just a great sponge. We've been using these. They work great on our dishes. It's not too rough, but it's strong enough to take off any like stains on our stuff, like from pots and pans and things like that. So these are great sponges to use. Okay, I saw this and I'm like, oh, this would be a good thing to try out, because you guys know, if you've been following Zoe's story and the Zoe videos, because my dog is handicapped, we have to help express her bladder and help her go potty, basically. And we do that 2 times a day, and it's not like super convenient to just go outside and throw away the trash. It just goes in our regular trash can sometimes, and we buy scented trash bags to help with that odor. But sometimes, every now and then, if it's like a really bad accident or something like that, you can kind of smell it a little bit, and it's not very pleasant. So I found this on the website. It's from the brand called Grab Green, and it's the Baby Diaper Pail Odor Remover Spray. So I was like, this is so cool. It's meant for, like, you know, baby diapers, and essentially it's kind of the same thing with Zoe. It's like we're disposing of a diaper. So it says on here, formulated to neutralize stinky diaper pail odors. Naturally derived formula, refreshing wildflowers with essential oils. And it has like this cute little skunk right here. Wait, look at it, and it has like this metallic detail on it. It's so cute, like, and there's hearts all over it. Like, this is really cute. It says, simple to use, spray as much needed directly into the diaper pail after each diaper. Here's a little picture on how to use it. Like, just literally spray it right into the trash can. So let's see how this smells. Oh my gosh, that smells like ladybug pee. Do you guys remember as a kid like playing with ladybugs in your hand, and then like sometimes they pee on you, and then like you smell it, and like that smell? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Please don't tell me I'm the only one who played with ladybugs growing up and they peed on your hand. I mean, I smell the flowers, but it overall smells like ladybug pee. We'll try it. We'll see how it goes though. Ooh, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, I'm excited to try this. So this is basically a natural version of poopery. This is the Grove Collaborative Clear the Air Before You Go spray in citrus. So you literally use it the same way you use poopery. We've used poopery before, and it is a lifesaver. If you know, you know. But this is a natural version of that, and you use it exactly the same way. It says, please shake before use, and then spray 3 to 5 times into the toilet bowl before doing your business. So this is in citrus. Let's smell. Oh, I spilled a little. Oh my gosh, this smells so good too. It smells like candy. Oh gosh, I spilled everywhere. Yikes. Okay, whoopsie. It smells so good though. I picked this up because Johnny was interested in trying this, but this is a deodorant from the brand Smarty Pits. This is aluminum-free deodorant in sweet orange bergamot, super strength with baking soda. So I'm not quite sure how he will like using this because we've tried natural deodorants that do have baking soda in it and it's not as comfortable, but we'll see. It says your purchase helps save lives. See back for detail. For every stick purchase, Smarty Pits donates 30 cents of the sale to life-saving breast cancer research and survivor support. How awesome is that? Aluminum-free, paraben-free. That smells good. It's subtle. It's a subtle orange smell, but there we go. Johnny will be trying this deodorant out. I have 3 more things in here. 2 of them were free gifts and the other one I picked up. So this is the last one that I actually ordered. This is from the brand Sustain Natural. Sustain Natural, Bleed Easy, Organic Cotton Period Underwear. I've never tried period underwear, but I've always been intrigued. And so when I saw this on the website, I was like, okay, let me just try this out one time. Let me just try this one time. Have you guys ever tried period underwear? So from my understanding, period underwear is like you don't need to wear a pad, you don't need to wear a tampon or a Diva cup or whatever. You don't need to wear any sort of thing, like it's just the underwear. Why are these so gigantic? Why are these so big, like long? Like I feel like this will go up past my belly button. Here's like the private part and it feels thick. And like you can definitely tell there's a different type of material right here on the private part. We will see whenever I get to my period next. I'm very abnormal when it comes to my period, so I don't know when the next time I will get my period, but whenever I do, I will try these out and let you guys know what I think. So these last 2 were free gifts. So this first one is from Rooted Beauty. This is the hydrating hand cream in oat milk with notes of almond, vanilla, blossom, and sandalwood. That smells so good. It smells like oatmeal sitting next to a bouquet of roses. That's what it smells like. I like that. And then we also got the bamboo straws from Grove Collaborative. Set of 6 straws plus cleaner, and then you have this organic cotton bag. I know I got straws already. Like these straws that I'm using, these glass ones, are from Grove Collaborative, and Johnny and I have both been using them so much, but now we also have bamboo straws. We are set with straws. We do not need any more straws. Oh, these look so much more different than what I was expecting. On the website, they looked way cuter for some reason. Like, I know that sounds weird, but they looked way cuter on the website. But they are just simple bamboo straws. That's what they look like. You can see not all of them are the same because it's like natural. So like the coloring is a little different on some of them, but they have Grove Collaborative logo on there. I'll let you guys know what I think of these. I don't think I'm gonna love these as much as the glass ones. I love the glass ones because they feel really smooth. These ones, like, they're not rough, they're smooth, but you can tell like it's not the same type of texture. And then also, you have the cleaner obviously, but it's gonna be really hard to see like, okay, did I really clean everything in there? With the glass ones, it's so easy because they're clear. And you can see if you missed a spot or anything like that while you clean them. So not sure how well we'll like these ones, but this was just a free gift, so we didn't have to pay for this. So that's everything that I got from Grove Collaborative. If there are any products that you guys would like to hear my review on or hear more in depth of how I'm liking it after using it for a while, let me know because I can definitely make sure to point those out in my next Clean With Me video. And if you guys are interested in checking out Grove Collaborative, I'll have a link down below. It's my referral link, so if you use that, you will get a 5-piece gift set for free with a $25 purchase. So yeah, definitely worth the money in my opinion on just that first purchase alone. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!